If you're getting the ElevenLabs error that says something went wrong, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you 3 quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including text that is too long, a broken login session, or even a temporary server problem on ElevenLabs' side. So before you assume anything is wrong with your account, let's walk through the easiest ways to fix it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's talk about the text itself. One of the most common reasons ElevenLabs throws an error is because the text block is too large. If you paste in a huge paragraph or a long script all at once, the generation engine can struggle and fail. The best fix is to shorten the text and break it into smaller chunks. Instead of generating one giant section, try splitting your script into shorter paragraphs and running them one at a time. This reduces the load on the system and often clears the error immediately. If you are working with a long voiceover, this is the first thing I would recommend trying, because it is simple, fast, and very often effective. Next, if shortening the text does not fix it, try logging out of your ElevenLabs account and then logging back in. Session-related errors can sometimes cause the platform to behave strangely, especially if you have been signed in for a long time or if your browser session has become corrupted. Logging out refreshes your session and clears temporary authentication problems. After you sign back in, go back to your project and try generating the audio again. In many cases, this alone is enough to resolve the issue. Now, if the problem still continues, the third thing you need to check is whether ElevenLabs is having server issues. Sometimes the error is not caused by your text or your account at all. It can be a temporary outage, maintenance window, or a general service disruption on the ElevenLabs side. To check that, go to status.elevenlabs.io/history and look at the service status history. This page will show you whether there have been recent outages or ongoing problems that could explain the error. If the servers are down, then the best solution is simply to wait and try again later once the service is fully restored. So to quickly recap, if ElevenLabs says something went wrong, first shorten your text and generate in smaller paragraphs. Then log out and log back in to reset your session, and finally check the ElevenLabs status page to see if there is a server issue. Those 3 steps solve most of the common causes without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video saved you time, please like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.